Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, lane departure warning, dual airbags, front wheel drive, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, electronic stability control, heated front seats, tachometer, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, remote keyless entry, day and night rear view mirror, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.